My GoPro wasn't working because it was so cold. Look at this. It's not even ice, it's like granite. It's like 7 degrees. I came out today because the water changed and there was a chance. I didn't really want to, but I feel obligated for everybody that's watched. This was for you. Got a nice one today, folks. Man, froze to the ground. Later. Alright, I'm out walking around, and the ground's pretty froze except for right down along the water, but I got my first artifact. The water was up and it went down. See if you see it here. Can't really sift or nothing, but it's right here and it's frozen. I'm gonna have to splash some water up on it with my shovel. I'll get it out of there and I'll show you in a second. It's a piece of faceted hematite. It's a real nice little used up piece. It's got facets all over it. Later. Alright, I got it. I thought it'd come off easy. I cut my hands over it and blew in with my hot breath and it got it. Look, it's all faceted down on every face. It's a real heavy piece of hematite, and they use these for making paint. Look at it, it's like a cone almost. It's like a little cone. That's awesome. Later. Alright, I just picked up this. It's another piece of faceted hematite. It's all rubbed right in there. So 2 artifacts, but it's really froze and stuff, so, and I can't really sit, so I don't know what I'll be able to do. Maybe I'll get to a dump later. But 2 pieces of worked hematite ain't bad. Later. Alright folks, I had to get my gloves off. I see something awesome. It's got a little base neck, but it can be restored. This is just how I was coming. My kayak's up that way. Coming down through here. It's all froze up. I'm probably gonna have to cup my hands over this and blow on it, or get a bucket of water and keep dumping on it. I might even have to pee on it, but that's the last. Alright, my battery's real low, but look at this. And you can see it's frozen here. Solid. Oh man, it's just got one tiny base neck, and look at this, folks. It's real cold. Let me get it out of here and I'll show you. My battery's on 0. Later. Alright, my battery's going dead, but this point's frozen here. It's real cold today. It's like 7 out. But look at this Amos. It's got a base neck, but I'm getting this one restored. I'm gonna have to get it out. I'll show you in a minute. This is an awesome find, folks. Look, it's just froze. Oh, there it is, look. All right, look at that ice on this sucker. Folks, I don't even know what to say on this one. I'm sorry, my battery's on 0, so if the clips stink on this video, look at this. There's the ice. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna get this one restored. It's awesome. It's a big Amos. I'll get it cleaned up and show pictures later.